A retail-ready listing is the foundation of a high-performing Amazon product page. Hello, my name is Anurag. I am co-founder at Brand Hawkers. In this video, we'll discuss how to create retail-ready product listings on Amazon. Let's explore the best practices for creating listings on Amazon. First, feature high-quality images. When customers browse through your product detail page, images can help capture their attention and educate them about what you offer. Include 4 or more images showing your product from different angles, highlighting important details and features and demonstrating how it can be used. If your product includes variations, for example, a lipstick that comes in 5 shades, show pictures of those variations. Edit images for your listings by going to Inventory, Manage all inventory, pick any particular listings and select Edit images. Here you can add different type of images. First, main image. This should have a pure white background and focus only on the product itself. Second, lifestyle images. Show your product in real life scenarios. For example, if you are selling kitchen gadgets, showcase the product being used in a kitchen setting. Third, you can add additional images, include close-ups, size comparisons, and infographics explaining the features. Create a strong product title. Think of your product title as a way to make a first impression with shoppers. An informative, easy-to-read title lets shoppers quickly know key facts about your products and can help encourage them to click on your ads. Here's how you structure it. First, brand name. Start with your brand name for brand recognition. Second, key features. Include important features such as color, size, or material. Third, use relevant keywords that customers are searching for. While doing this, remember, keep the title under 200 characters. For mobile optimization, keep initial 80 characters focused on product detail, benefit, and brand name. You can also add multiple backend search term strings while maintaining Amazon policy for this. Third, include 3+ bullet points. Use these to highlight the key selling points of your product. Be concise but informative. Start with the most important benefit. Focus on aspects like durability, ease of use, convenience, and warranty. Fourth, add A+ content to your product. Why A+ content matters? A+ content allows you to create a more compelling shopping experience by showcasing your product with high-quality images, additional product information, and lifestyle content. It helps increase conversions by educating the customers about your brand and your product. Now, where to find it? Navigate to Advertising, A+ Content Manager on your Seller Central account. Let me share some of the best practices with you. First, use product comparison charts on your A+. Here you can compare your products with others in your line. Second, include lifestyle images and graphics. Make the content visually appealing while emphasizing the product's unique features. Third, alt image keywords. Add these in A+ modules to improve SEO for your listings. Fifth, advertise products with positive reviews. Now, when it comes to buying a product, sometimes the most important factor for shoppers is the opinions of other shoppers. That's why we recommend advertising products with 5 or more customer reviews plus a rating of 3.5 stars or higher. You're investing in ads to help drive traffic to your product and encourage sales. So help improve your opportunities by choosing well-reviewed, well-rated products. Now, one tip here, how you can help to get more reviews. Use Amazon's Request a Review button to reach out to the customers who have received your orders recently. And that's how you create a retail-ready product listing. Focus on high-quality images, compelling titles and bullet points, utilizing A+ content, and actively managing reviews and ratings.